We are here at the moment, Nana. And then we need to go to Saphan Taksin to get the half on, half off boat. So we're going to do a river tour. And then we need to stop Siam and get another train. When you come down from Saphan Taksin, just go straight here. From there to here. The ferry boat is already there. So this is the ferry sign, tourist boat, express boat, ferry crossing. All sorts of ferry here.
Would you like to take the long keel board for the floor?
No, it's just a tourist boat.
The least over there. Thank you.
Yeah. This is all what you can see in a tourist
Morning,
boat.
sir. You want to take a boat?
There, it's over here. This is where you get the ticket. And this is where you get the ICONSIAM shuttle, boat shuttle for free. You don't have to pay anything. So this is where you get the ticket. Chao Phraya Express boat, half on, half off.
Can we get 2 one-day river pass, please?
And all there. This is for whole day. You can half on, half off anywhere for a whole day. How much is it? 200 each? It's 150 each. So they give you a ticket, a map, and your ticket is in front. So we sorted our ticket. They only give us one ticket before. We managed to get the boat now. We had trouble with our ticket earlier.
They lied.
And they said we only paid one and we paid for 2 people. Good thing they are on video. And we saw that they changed. We are saying the truth. They changed us 200 for 5. So it's 4 tickets, 150 each. And now we managed, half an hour later, we managed to get in. They're very good though. They give our money back. So here it is. Yeah, we start right at the end. We go here, so we won't go down. What up?
สำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนั้นกรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือ วัดอรุณ วัดอรุณ For passengers arriving here, please stand by at the exit. โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังท่านที่ย่อออกจากเรือ Please mind the gap between the boat and the
of the cruise until we stay here for half an hour and then come in again. This is called Arcade. Everyone has to get off the boat. It's not bad price. And that's where we eat. We're having our brunch, breakfast. Looks nice food. Thank you. So thirsty. Nice and cool. Okay, that's Mar. It's noodles. I thought it was rice. Oh, sorry, no. Looks nice. The chicken, chicken. The egg looks nice. It's the way how I like.
Put too much salt on it, Harry.
Oh my god. Start it. I'm videoing you. See what it's like. Lime on your egg. Oh, perfect. How is it? Nice. Oh. I got mine. It's a fish and noodles.
One's looking chilies in there.
It looks nice. Wow. Chili is supposed to be hot. It's supposed to be really spicy. Oh, it's spicy, but it's nice. This is like a sardine. Sanun pra atit.
It's the sugar factory here.
Oh, look, sugar. Is that sugar? No.
I was reading that sign, it says it used to be a sugar factory here.
Ah, used to be a sugar factory. Oh, they just finished doing the water. He said free food for everybody.
Mango, free.
Free? Oh my god. Thank you. So he's giving us chairs. We're not really staying. Free food for New Year. New Year celebration. Oh, they bring food for everybody, for the locals.
Okay.
Free.
Why is so
มีลูกช้อน
There's free food.
You just said if I know you won't eat there, I don't care.
เขาค้าเขาขายอะไรซื้อมากิน
Back to the Chao Phraya Express boat. I think this is the one, yeah. This is the one.
Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier.
So pretty, isn't it? Look at that. It's massive. Mark, your new hat. Show your new hat.